This case, heard in the English Court of Appeal, was one of the final precursors to the formal establishment of the law of negligence in the United Kingdom. It very nearly became the foundation case for negligence as an action. Over the preceding decades, the law had been inching towards the development of a law of negligence, but at the same time, there had been other cases going the other way. Master of the Rolls Brett decided to try and resolve the impasse. The case was based around the supply of a stage by a shipyard. The stage was essentially a working platform suspended from the side of a ship to enable painters to paint the outside of the ship. In this particular case, the ropes provided for suspending the platform had previously been scorched by fire, which burned some of the fibres of the rope and considerably weakened it. The painter got onto the platform and began work, but the ropes gave out, the platform collapsed, and the painter fell and was injured. It wasn't an action in contract because the dockyard actually supplied the platform to the ship owner, who then allowed the painter to use it. So there was no contract between the painter and the shipyard. He sued anyway, in what was called an action on the case. The Master of the Rolls decided the case in favour of the painter and developed the following broader principle. Whenever one person is by circumstances placed in such a position with regard to another that everyone of ordinary sense who did think would at once recognise that if he did not use ordinary care and skill in his own conduct with regard to those circumstances, he would cause danger of injury to the person or property of the other, a duty arises to use ordinary care and skill to avoid such danger. This is a clear expression of the duty of care as we've since come to know it. Unfortunately, though, there were two other judges in the case. They agreed that the painter in this case should be compensated, but they refused to support any broader principle. So the outcome was 2 against 1 against establishing the tort of negligence. Still, this case was crucial to the judgment of Lord Atkin in Donoghue and Stevenson when the law of negligence finally came to be.